Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use and install Microsoft Teams on your computer. Firstly, you need to go to your Office 365 portal. If you're not in the portal already, you can type in portal.office.com in your browser and log in. Once you reach the home page, you might be able to find Microsoft Teams in the list of apps here on top. Some of you might not, and you'll find the app by clicking on Explore all your apps. We'll click that now. On this page, you want to scroll down until you see all of your apps. Here you can find all the apps that you have access to, and they are in alphabetical order. So we can find Teams by scrolling down. Here you can see the Teams app, and we'll click that. This will open the Microsoft Teams online version in a new tab. In the online version, you will have all of the features that you need. But for the sake of convenience, we suggest that you install the desktop app. To do this, you click on the avatar on the bottom left, and you'll find the option for downloading the desktop app. We would also suggest downloading the app for mobile, which is available on both iOS and Android OS. And there you have it. You're now ready to use Teams.